Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a game pass in Please Donate in Roblox Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're on an iPhone or Android and want people to donate to you, you'll first need to create a game pass and then link it to a stand inside the game. Start by opening the Roblox app on your phone. Tap the More button at the bottom right, scroll down and tap Create. From there, tap the three lines at the top left on the home screen and select Creations. You'll see your place listed here. Every account has a default place and it must be set to public. If it isn't, tap the place, open the three dots at the top right, and switch it to public. Next, tap on your place to open it. At the top left, tap the three lines again, scroll down to Monetization, and then tap on Passes. This is where you manage all your game passes. Tap Create a Pass and you will be on Pass Creation page. Here you can upload an image if you want or leave the default one and then enter a name for your pass, and you can also add description. Once that's done, scroll down and tap Create Pass. After the pass is created, you will see it listed here in your other pass creations. But if you scroll right, you will see it will be marked as off sale, meaning no one can buy it yet. So to enable sale on it, tap on the pass, then tap the three lines at the top left and select Sales from this menu. Here, toggle Item for Sale on, set the price you want, and choose whether you want to enable regional pricing. Remember that Roblox takes a 30% fee, so you'll receive 70 Robux for every 100 Robux donation. Tap Save Changes to make the pass live. If you go back to Passes page, you will see that your Game Pass is active now. Now, if you want to link it to Stand, go back to Home and look for Please Donate Game. Once found, open the game and tap Play. Once the game loads, find an empty stand. So here it is, press and hold on it and tap Claim. Your stand will automatically display your active game passes, allowing other players to donate to you. After claiming the stand, you can customize it or skip the tutorial and start receiving donations right away. As long as your game pass stays on sale, anyone who visits your stand will be able to donate to you using that pass. And that's it. So that is how you can make a game pass in Please Donate in Roblox Mobile. So that's all for this video. Thanks.